Swadikap, I'm Thai solicitor Ponthep Werachon. I'm going to talk to you about how to probate a last will and testament in Thailand. When a person dies in Thailand or outside Thailand, the property in Thailand of that person will become the estate, which must devolve or distributed according to the laws of Thailand. If that person made a last will and testament before the death, all the estate will be distributed according to the wish of the testator. In Thailand, you can make a will to give or to bequest your estate to another person, even that person is not your spouse, is not your heir. But you have to make sure that the property which will be your estate must be your property 100%. In case you have spouse, that your property have to be shared 50% for your spouse as a common property. That in this case you can make a last will to cover 100% of your property. In the will mention the name of the beneficiaries and also the name of the executor of estate who will make the arrangement, to make the compilation, to make the collection, to put together all the estate, to prepare the inventory or list of estate. Okay, and most of the beneficiary and executor of estate will arrange for the funeral, and after that, the person who will be the executor of estate have to file or submit the petition with the Court of Justice in order that the court will verify, uphold the testimony, the proof of the applicant for the court to verify if the will is authentic, if the will is valid, and if the will is enforceable. Okay? And the executor of estate is the person who is competent, who is clearly mentioned by the will to be the executor. The executor of estate can be Thai or foreigner, can be also beneficiary or outsider as a lawyer, but that executor of estate must be mature at the major, like 20 years old up, must be competent, not unsound mind, not bankrupt, or not quasi-incompetent. When that person submit the documents which include the death certificate, the list of estate, and other supporting document for the identity of people concerned, most of the judge now want the executor estate to make the announcement or notify or inform all the natural heirs who will be disappointed, because they are disinherited from the estate, to come to give the chance to come to make the contestation. And they come or not come, it doesn't matter. But the executor of estate have to notify them. And if they are foreigner, it's not easy to notify them also. After the judge will check, the most important thing is if the will is